The London derby don't come, it don't go, and Chelsea, the champions of Europe, now be the victors. Now them deliver normally. They for inside that game when as he plays, so Chelsea normal dominate the game, and Lukaku debut to me and a very ogbongelistic one. So we get one very ogbongelistic Chelsea fan here, Oga AkaGod. How you see this display from Romelu Lukaku today? His second Chelsea debut, and this performance from Chelsea, 6 points out of 6 for the first two games for inside this 2021-2022 season. Oga AkaGod, I beg, tell me how you see him.
First of all, as I want to say thank you for bringing me to the show. I did very, very happy. I did
No be lie, no be
happy.
lie. Big up, yeah.
This match, normal. We know as it go be because Chelsea really did in good form. And Arsenal losing their first match. I know they will come with full force to make sure they win the game, but Chelsea really outsmart them, They really outsmart them. And the first 45 minutes, Chelsea really dominate Arsenal so much. Chelsea really give their best because they come with full confidence. And Arsenal come, but because of Chelsea defense, it really is standard. They not really feel penetrate. And we seal the game in the first 45 minutes. And the second half, Arsenal try, they press the game, and I make our coach really introduce Kante to break Arsenal midfield. And at last, we win the game. Really outsmart Arsenal.
All right, now, Oga AkaGod, not be lie you talk, because that first half, Chelsea dominates the game for inside that first half, start to finish. Chelsea get like 10 shots to Arsenal 2 shots for inside that first half. And now to tell you, say, I'm on a Chelsea play everything. And one thing when I want to make you talk about now, that's Lukaku effect now for inside this Chelsea team. And we see what Lukaku bring, the strength, that him older play, him back to goal. We see how in display and how in dominates the Arsenal defenders for inside this match. You know, think say this one a message to other Premier League defenders. So, but the new Ogbongelistic Oga don't come down. Make una get the message. Make una know say Chelsea now get world class, top class striker. How you see Lukaku?
Even before the transfer come, when the rumor they go around for the complete Lukaku transfer, all the Premiership team don't really fear, because Lukaku now one of the best striker in the world now, if not first, third, or first. He not past first.
Yes, in the up there among the best.
He's one of the best striker in the world currently. So, and he get his strength, he get the pace, everything, the experience. He don't play league before, so. Lukaku na really bone on the throat to not be here. He could really disturb.
No be lie.
There's nothing less than 26 goals now we expect from Lukaku.
Abi?
Yes.
Yes, because to me, the way Lukaku starts already for this Arsenal match, so I know say nothing less than 20 goals Lukaku go deliver for this season. And to me, I believe say he bring that all-round complete play. That team where they missed before, you understand. And one thing when be like say I want to make you touch on, because I believe that we all see last season we see Thomas Tuchel tactics, and the man see him all right, say waiting they miss like just that one striker we in need now. So and I believe they don't solve him. So they see Chelsea as favorite to win this Premier League.
Certainly I see Chelsea as favorite to win the league, because last season we played well, just say we lack scoring. Our finishing was poor. You see, when we calculate all our strikers go last season, all of them are 20 goals, and Lukaku go last season at 24 goals. You see, say our scoring was poor, but we get good defense. So with Lukaku coming in, now big threats, and we will really contend for the league. I don't really see what will stop us from winning the league. And after the La League, we will really get back our Champions League back to back. Certainly.
All right, now, no be lie. When I don't hear from Oga AkaGod, instead of back to back, Chelsea won't do for Champions League. Make we see how they go. The season just start, and Chelsea starting with very better ginger. And I said Chelsea start and bumper to bumper, 6 points out of. All right, now, man like AkaGod, now make we move, go the player rating. Make we start from man of the moment, Romelu Lukaku. Now, what do you go rate Lukaku for this match?
Concerning for the first half, Lukaku not really make much run for the first half. Ain't just they relax, they rely, maybe they give them the ball, and then they stop the defense, which nine bring much. They then bring the contribution of the goals, but it not make much run. It not really put pressure on them. It just they disturb them with with the body and everything because we boo when it be. So I'll give an
Yes.
8 over. I'll give an 8/10.
Okay. So you go give Lukaku 8/10.
Yeah.
What about Kai Havertz? What do you go give Kai Havertz?
I give Kai Havertz 7 because he make much of the run for the midfield more than Messi Mount.
Okay, Havertz 7. Then what about Mr. Mount?
6.
Mr. Mount 6. Then what about Marcos Alonso?
7.
Kovacic.
6.
Jorginho.
8.
Rhys James.
9. He make
Okay, you say Rhys James 9.
yes.
Okay, now be say from what you the way you do rates now, you never read the defender and the keeper. Or now be saying Rhys James be your man of the match for this match.
Yes, yeah. That's my man of because he give assists and he score and he make. If you watch that Arsenal game, now he win the year they really use. He make more of
They
the run.
use now they use penetrate Arsenal.
Yes.
And if not be say you even get one ball safe to say even pass him across goal, be like in
Yes.
shoot for that place. To say he pass the ball across goal, be like say Lukaku for even get another goal again. If we get another.
Yes.
So I agree with you on Rhys James. You as we take make Rhys James your man of the match. So the way you see him, because I believe say Rhys James and Lukaku, two people will stand out pass for the game.
Yeah.
And Rhys James, 1 goal, 1 assist. We know if you take him away from him.
Yeah.
All right, now what do you rate as Pilaketa?
Yes, because I'll give him 8. In give it best as well.
Okay, then what about Christensen?
Wow. Christensen.
He bossed that
That guy na
defense.
That kind of class. I know some Chelsea fans not gonna really see that guy. I don't know why. That kind of class. I give him 9.
You give him 9. Okay, what about Rudiger?
Same 9.
9. Mendy, uncle.
Mendy, I give Mendy 8.
All right, now no be lie. Man like AkaGod. I know say you and all the Chelsea fan, them all the Bungalistic Chelsea fan, they enjoy on our victory. And
Yeah, we'll be happy today.
yes, no be lie. Yeah, we want to appreciate you as you take come, give us your time for this interview. You too much, and we hope so. We're going to see more of you for the interviews and the shows. Them. Thank you for your time, Oga AkaGod.
Thank you very much.